Hello, this is Stafford with Adventure Kiteboarding, and I'm here to show you the Airush MIni Monster convertible surfboard hydrofoil board and the core foil that goes on it and can also fit on some other boards. So basically what we have is a hydrofoil deck that is convertible to a surfboard. This particular Mini Monster is 5'2" by 19 inches. It's about 2.5 inches thick, so we have about 26 liters of volume for those of you who might want to paddle in on the surf. But really, this particular size is probably better for just kite surfing. It does come as a naked deck, so you can add your own foot pads, deck pads, straps, and future fins to it. It is a thruster setup for the future fins, and the shape of the bottom is actually pretty good for using as a surfboard. There's a subtle double concave. The rail is pretty hard in the back and a little smoother on the sides and the nose. So it'll work pretty good as a surfboard for you, just as a kite surfboard, but it'll be great as a deck for a hydrofoil too. I can feel in the deck, there's the 2 reinforced spots for your feet. This is an epoxy board. And then of course the foil. This is the new Airush Core Foil version 2. It's a little bit shorter of a mast. This is an 80 centimeter mast, so it's not the tallest like the 90s or even 100 centimeters that a lot of the boards are using these days. They do have a taller mast available and a shorter mast available for learning. So it's an aluminum mast, aluminum fuselage, and a sort of carbon hybrid set of wings. It's a 4-bolt pattern. And the bottom of the Mini Monster uses just bolt inserts. It's not a track system. And that's really better for surfing because you don't want a lot of drag. Even with the bolts, I myself would probably put something in there to plug that up. Maybe a piece of electrical tape or something like that across the deck or some plugs. One of you guys out there who does the 3D molding will probably come up with some sort of system to plug up the Chinook tracks on the deck so you could have a Chinook track convertible surfboard. But in the meantime, this is what we got. This is compatible with a 5.5 inch distance of bolt holes and 6.5 inch bolt holes. So that's the overall system, and it is pretty light. This is going to be a good board. Now, I can compare this just real quick to the RRD Dolphin and full flight 90 centimeter mast. So you can see how much taller this one is, just for reference sake. That's a good 10 centimeters taller. But so, adventurekiteboarding.com, 414-367-WAVE.